how to cancel app subscriptions on iPhone and also cancel the auto renewal of the subscriptions. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video because it's super easy to do. Now all you basically want to do is simply go to your settings, and once you're here in the settings at the top, you should see your Apple ID or iCloud account or whatever, and you want to click on there. Then over here you should see subscriptions. It's the fourth one right over there, and if you click on there, this will open up as you can see. And here you should see all your app subscriptions. Now I don't have any, so I don't see any of them either. So if you have any of these app subscriptions, you want to click on one of them, and you can immediately see in red like cancel subscription, something like that. And if you want to cancel the auto renewal, you simply want to disable this feature over there. But yeah, that's it. So I hope this super quick video helps you out. And I'll see you next time, and let me know in the comments if it worked.